Okay, today we're going to talk about adding on demographic filters on your skip traces. So you'll select a zip code, add on a filter. For this one, I added on the pre-foreclosure list, one of our most popular lists, and then I am going to click the search button. Here you can see that there's 30 skip trace results. Instead of just going down and selecting each one, I'm going to select this skip trace 30 records. I'll name my file demographic filters. And then here you'll just click that drop down menu and you could see information regarding all of our demographic filters. Each demographic category requires an additional 0.2 skip per match. And just as an FYI, our predefined filter for the magic list already does include age filters, so you won't want to select any age range filters for that list. And then you could go ahead and just select any of these. Unfortunately, you cannot select a number and then break up the path, so you'll have to do them all in order, or you could just select one if that's what you would like to do for that list pool. And then you could also select most likely gender, which has on average about 90% accuracy. And then for that piece there, you could also include relatives' contact information as well on a skip trace now. And then also for the DNC Scrub, it'll let you know what phone numbers are on the do not call list. So that costs 0.1 skip per match, and it lets you know the first phone number, which is usually the most accurate phone number being provided if it's on DNC. The other phone numbers provided are not scrubbed for DNC, so that's something to also keep in mind. But that's pretty much how you add those filters. What you could do from here then, just for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just keep the gender filter on here. You could click skip trace, and then you could head over to your demographic filters. It's still loading. It'll only take a couple seconds before it's completed. And then you can see out of the 29 searches, I have 20 hits. 14 of those are non-chargeable. You were charged 7.2 skips based on that amount that's available. And what you could do to access that file is click these three dots here and download that skip trace file. And that's pretty much everything on how you access and include demographic filters and the DNC Scrub on Skipify.ai.